So today I'm going to show you how you can use the Consolidate tool in Excel to merge your data together as a single file. So here is a sample of a data set. We have some items and the amount, like a sales page. The amount for January and the items, the items and some amount sold January, February, March, April, May and June. The same items here, I have them as a list here also. So for January, we have rice, pizza, fish, and snacks, which you can see rice, pizza, fish, and that is the snacks. For February, we have biscuits, soft drink, cornflakes, and fish. Here we have biscuits, soft drink, cornflakes, and fish. For March, we have some items. So all these items we have them here, and these are the month. So consolidate will help us to bring all these items, the amount together as one, where we are going to have them here instead of having to type them yourself. As for instance, you have to maybe type or copy and paste. Or okay, for instance, we have rice, pizza, fish, and snacks here. If I should just copy this and paste it here, rice, pizza, then I have to copy this fish. I have to cut this fish. I have to cut it here. Then the snacks, I have to cut it down here. This sorry. So I have to cut the snacks. I have to cut it down here. This can be so stressful. So this is where the consolidate tool will come in. It will help us to bring everything together in just few seconds. So what we have to do now is come to your data, then under your data tool you will see the consolidate. This is it. So you click on it to bring this out. So this is the default. So the function will be sum, but we have several other functions here, but we'll just leave it as a sum. Then the reference, these are our references. So once we start picking them, you will see it will be registered as a reference. So first thing I have to do is you have to before you select the consolidation tool, click on the first click on the first cell where you have your item, so it relates with what we have here. So you click on it, then come to your consolidate, then the reference. So we start picking them. Once this pops up, just select this, then you see it is registered as a reference, and you click on add. So it will be here. For February, you can do same also. It will be, then you add. So you do not have to be in order. You can select in any sequence. Just know the reference you've already picked. I picked January, February, April. I want to pick June. I'm going to add it. Then I'll pick the May. I'll add it. Then I can pick the March. I will add it. So once I'm done with this, then the top row, which are our item, then you select it. Then the left column, which are these, the first row rather, which are the months, then the left column, which are the items, then you select it, then you click on OK. So everything we have here is already being represented there. So for instance, let's go to it. January, where we have rice, we have 400, pizza. So let's go through it. For January, we have rice 400, pizza 350, rice 400, pizza 350, fish 520, then snacks 250. For February, we have kit 410, salt drinks 270, cornflakes 340, then the fish is 410. For March, we have pepper. For March, we have pepper here 250. We have snacks. What do we have for snacks here? 140. Biscuit we have 570, and the cornflakes we have 150. For April, we have the fish 180, fruit 260, The beans is 580. Then the snacks we have 2,000 bucks. Then for me, we have biscuit as 170. We have soft drinks as 260. Then we have fish as 250. Then we have fruit as 400. Then for June, we have the snacks as 250. We have the pepper as 150. We have biscuit 730. Then we have rice 650. So it does not have to. You don't have to pick your reference in the way it is. You can just pick your reference anyhow you want it, and everything we consolidate together as one.